I can't believe we shot this music video with this zombie storyline in less than 1 hour. Stay tuned to see how we did it. It's your main man, Joey Sparks. That's 2 E's, no Y. You heard me, that's 2 E's, no Y. Thank you for tapping in. Please, before we get started, first time here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'll be making more content like this on the reg, okay? In today's video, we're gonna do a music video review. Who shot the music video? Me. So we're going to take a look back at old work, talk about the process of making it, what were some of the techniques I might have used, and how it all came to fruition, right? All right, so we're gonna hit play, take a look. If I see something, I'm gonna stop and give you a little inside insert about it, right? This specific song for this music video is titled Zombie Apocalypse by Black Pegasus. If any of y'all know me, y'all know Black Pegasus is my main man. He lives here in town with me. I mean, we've shot a lot together, and I thought he would be a great candidate to start with. The concept was like zombie apocalypse, and Pegasus is just a non-zombie making his way through a world full of zombies, right? Shout out to our homeboy Travis, aka Troll. He let us use his land for this, and the two brothers who helped us out playing the zombies, they took the time to get all the prosthetic and zombie makeup on before we even took off for the filming location. So that part was already taken care of. Okay, for this specific music video, I think I shot this on my previous camera to this one. Right now I shoot on the A7S III from Sony. This specific music video, I do believe, was shot on my Lumix, my GH5. Pretty sure I just used a basic wide lens since we were using some landscape. So more than likely the 8 to 18 millimeter lens for that. Now, being that the GH5 is a micro 3/4 camera, that 8 to 18 millimeter lens is actually gonna be equivalent to like 16 to, what is it, a 36 millimeter, right? So 16 to 36 millimeter is actually what the true focal length of what I was shooting at. Cloudy, overcast, so we set the white balance to overcast. Now that we've discussed camera and lens, let's go ahead and dive into the actual filming. Okay, so you see the wind flapping off the zombie shirts and stuff like that. A little behind the scenes on that. On our way out, the storm was moving in. Like, we had a rainstorm on its way and the wind was whipping. I tell you, it was blowing. You know, funny enough, we were able to choreograph and shoot this whole video within 1 hour. Like, I think we were done in like maybe like 49, 50 minutes when it was all said and done. So we were fighting weather while I'm trying to direct and give filming cues and stuff like that. Cannot believe the quality that we made out of such short time. Make sure, this is first time here, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Trying to go up in the algorithms, likes, comments, all that stuff helps. On some of the shots, I wanted to make sure it looked like a lone traveler in a post-apocalyptic world should feel lonely, right? And I thought the big, vast, open fields with just little close-ups of Black Pete helped sell some of that lonely vibe, and that it's just him to count on in this open world. And it kind of relates to the song, because you know my man Black Pete be talking about the pandy heavy, and so this song's kind of, you know, based on and referenced to thoroughly throughout this video. And normally, so when it comes to music video storylines that play alongside some performance from the musical artist, I usually tend to tell that story in like a slow motion fashion. But we filmed enough of this storyline that it made sense, and I think it was one of the first times I just flipped it and I said, I'm gonna use regular speed B-roll shots, which is, the B-roll is part of the storyline. So I'm gonna use regular speed storyline shots as the B-roll in this video. And I really love the way it came out. And it actually helped for later when it comes time for action and stuff like that to slow down the clips. If you were running all the clips slow, you can't slow down or you can't speed up to add impact and fighting cues and things like that. All right, this part where my man Black Pete kind of gets up the hill by the house and decides he's going to shoot the zombies, right? And we were thinking to ourselves, how are we going to shoot the zombies without shooting the people playing zombies, right? We want everyone to be safe. So if you'll notice, when he grabs his gun, turns around and aims, it's a wide shot. You can see his foot get on the little mound and him aim. Now, obviously, there's no zombie members on the other side of where he's pointing, but he just stood up like that. Then after that, we cut, right? Show some performance. Next time we come back, he's firing. If you'll notice, the screen is tighter on him. It's only waist up. He's in the same position, but we needed to go in tighter because we then moved down to the shooting range, and the shooting range did not look like the dirt mound that he was on initially. But we could still get some live action round shots so that it looks authentic and a little bit of movie magic. Hopefully the viewers are none the wiser. And then I really had fun trying to recreate some of the classic zombie scenes I seen back in the day, like dragging the leg on a low foot shot, or you know, like when they finally get up over the dirt mound and they're coming to him, you know, like hands reached out to the camera. Some of the classic stuff I learned watching zombie movies back in the day. You just try and recreate in the moment. It's like paying homage, and it helps ease the viewer into the topic matter because they've seen that before. Okay, here's an example of using the storyline B-roll in regular speed with the ability to slow down. Now, Black P been in martial arts since he was knee-high to a grasshopper. So doing a spinning roundhouse was easy for him. You just angle the camera to where the viewer can't see whether it connects or not. And I'm pretty sure we got this kick within 2 takes. I think we did 2 of them, and this one was the best one. And then I noticed it was slightly off, but to help sell it, I slowed it down as soon as the impact would happen and put a small little flash on there to let them know that some impact did happen. And I think it turned out and worked really well. You let me know what you think down in the comments. Whoo, bruh. Okay, so yo, them zombie shots, gunshots where he actually kills them, obviously non-loaded handgun that we used, right? I had to have him pretend to hand jerk the gun, and then in post, once again, we're adding a flash on the screen that helps just kind of cue to the viewer that a gunshot happened. Well, with this one being so close up, I had to add a small little muzzle flash and a little smoke there. I had to use a little bit of gun smoke to help sell. But man, the second zombie who was getting up from the ground, who got shot back onto the ground, perfect timing to come up and then react to Black Pete jerking his hand. So Black Pete had to raise his hand and then jerk it, and it just so happened that the zombie guy jerked at the same time. I think I couldn't have asked for better timing for this. And I think it added a great climax to this music video right here. Shout out to them laying on the cold ass dirt. Boom, man, I had a lot of fun shooting that one, and I cannot believe we got such a cinematic look in less than an hour, trying to beat the rain, and we pulled it off and created this phenomenal cinematic music video. You guys tell me what you thought of the music video down in the comments. Could I have done better? Should I have taken more time and maybe we reshot on another day? Did you enjoy the zombie vibe or any of the action gunplay? If so, let us know in the comments. And then if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It helps me out in the algorithms, and I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I need your help. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, notification bell so you know whenever I drop a brand new video, okay? Once again, I'm Joey Sparks and we're signing off. See you next time. Peace.